refer to the notes.
Yeah,
do you
yeah,
know?
yeah, the previous notes.
Previous notes.
Yeah.
Yeah, X equal like that, and F.
Okay, hi, this is Group 7 of Engineering Mathematics, Section 34. I am Fitri from Sawalludin, and this is...
I'm Mahdi Sharif, and I did question number 18A.
And I am Ibrahim Chowdhury, and I have done 19B.
My name is Jin Peng. I will handle question 20.
My name is Alif and I done question 19A.
Hi, my name is Nurul and I handle the report.
And lastly, I'm answering for 18B. That's our discussion where about part, and then we investigate by using the software, like, and then we record it, and then lastly we solve the question individually and we execute it by compiling each video. That's all.
Assalamualaikum. This is Mahdi Sharif from Section 34 Engineering Mathematics. The screen recording software I'm using is OBS Studio, and the drawing software I'm using is Smoothdraw 4.0.5. This is tutorial 5, question number 18A, and we're going to solve it. So the question says, if ln y equals to 3 sin h inverse 1x, show that 1 plus x squared dy by dx whole square equals to 9y squared. Okay, so let's start. We're going to take ln y equals to 3 sin h inverse 1x. Okay, so we're going to differentiate it. So it's going to be 1 by y dy by dx equals to 3 over root over 1 plus x square. Okay, so we're gonna take this here and take that there. So it's gonna be root over 1 plus x square dy by dx equals to 3y. Now we can just square it. So if we square it, it's going to be 1 plus x square dy by dx. Sorry, I'm using a mouse, please forgive me. Equals to 9y whole square. And that's the answer.
Question 18b. Show that ln y equal to 3 arcsine x. So this is the equation. We need to prove it, and then we need to use the hands obtain the expansion of y in ascending power of x to the power of x4. For the first step, we need to differentiate ln y equals to 3 arcsine x. So after we differentiate, I mean this is the first equation. We will got the second equation over here. This is the second equation, and then we need to square it both sides. After we square it, we got the equation number 3, and then we differentiate the equation number 3. After we differentiate and simplify it, we will got equation number 4, and we prove that this is the same. Okay, right now we continue with step number 4. We differentiate it again, so we will get the third order over here. So we form equation number 5 after we simplify it. Okay, now we further with group number step number 5. We differentiate it again. And finally, we will got equation number 6 that have the fourth order derivative. So right now, we need to find each value after we replace x with 0. When x equal to 0, we found that y equal to 1, dy by dx equal to 3. In the second order, we got 9. The third order, we got 34. And then the the fourth order is 45. And then lastly, we form a Maclaurin series up to x power 4. This is the formula. We just replace it, the x with the 0, and then we replace the value of every differentiation order with this. So we got function x equal to 1 plus 3x plus 9x squared over 2 plus 24x cubed over 6 and 45x power 4 over 24. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, question 19a. If y equal to sin 4t and x equal to sin t, show that. Okay, this equal to this. So first you have to do x sin t, you have to inverse it, so it will become like this: t arcsine x. Then substitute t into y equal to sin 4t, then you get this equation. this equation, you have to differentiate this whole equation, then you get dy over dx equal to cos 4 arcsine x times 4 over square root 1 plus x squared. Then arrange this equation until it become like this, like the question. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
And to explain 19b, there is as if a given y equal to sin 40 and x equal to sin t. After differentiation, we got this equation. After that, if I use differentiation of uv, then we got this equation like 1 plus x squared times y double prime plus xy prime minus 16y equal to 0. And if we want to find the ascending power of y up to x and y to the power 5, then we got this equation 7xy to the power 4 plus 1 plus x squared times y to the power 5 minus 7y triple 4 prime equal to 0. Then there is x equal to 0 up to y to the power 5 equal to 4 to 0. Then we have to use Maclaurin's formula to find substitute the value. Then we got this equation 4x plus 10x cubed plus 7 over 2 x to the power 5 plus.
Now I'm going to use Taylor theorem to find first 5 terms for tangent x plus pi over 4. Alpha will be pi over 4. Fx will be equal to tangent x. Now we need to find first 4 derivative for tangent x. We'll keep differentiate it until it becomes the 4th order of derivative. We'll just differentiate it using the previous knowledge we learned in previous. Just continue differentiate it. Just continue to do it like this. Okay. After that, we'll x equals to pi over 4, we'll substitute it into every derivative to find the exact value for later use. Okay. After that, we'll use fx plus alpha equals to tangent x plus pi over 4. We'll expand it using Taylor series, using the Taylor series formula and using the value we get before. After that, we'll find tangent 47. We'll substitute the value inside of this equation or function. Then we'll substitute the value into the Taylor series, which allows us to find the exact answer. We just continue to do it like this, and equals to 1.0723. This is the answer. That's all. Thank you.